풀레인지2 구독자 여러분 안녕하세요. 오디오 리뷰어 염동현입니다. 미넨 하이엔드 오디오 쇼 2025 현장에 저는 나와 있고요. 오늘 이 영상에서 스텐하임 부스 어떤 구성으로 되어 있는지 한번 들어가서 직접 소개해 드려 보도록 하겠습니다. 들어오시죠. 지금 보시면은 들어오자마자 전면에 이렇게 스텐하임 로고가 크게 위치한 것을 확인하실 수 있고요. 옆으로 이동해 보시면 오늘 시연에 사용되진 않지만 스텐하임의 예전 모델 2.5라든가 3 그리고 5XX라고 이 모델도 처음 등장한 것 같습니다. 그래서 메인 룸으로 이동해서 보면은 거대한 그 레퍼런스 라인업의 스피커 확인하실 수 있습니다. 알루미네 2라는 북쉘프 스피커랑 알루미네 서브라는 스피커, 서브우퍼 스피커가 월드 프리미어로 이번 미넨쇼 현장에서 등장을 했고요. 북쉘프 스피커로 시연을 하고 있습니다. 이번 시간에는 스텐하임의 진 파스칼 씨 모시고 이번 미넨쇼 스텐하임 부스 데모룸이 어떤 구성으로 돼 있고 어떤 신제품이 있는지 전해드리는 시간 갖도록 하겠습니다. Hello, Jin Pascal.
Hello.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Please introduce your demo room system component first.
Yes. In fact, we have two systems that we are playing in that room. The first system, that's the biggest, it's our reference Ultim 2 model S6 with the platform and playing with the Boulder electronics. And the second system, it's the smallest that we can provide. It's a little bookshelf Alumine 2 special edition, and together with the new introduction of the Alumine sub lasers version, and that we are unveiling at the Highend 2025. In fact, we wanted to develop a compact system, compact subwoofer to fit all model of the Alumine line. Idea was really to extend the lowest frequency and just to add what is attenuated with the main speakers. So that's the main purpose.
Driver design seems to be very unique. Which design applied to the enclosure?
That's correct. We did it a bit differently than what we see usually on subwoofer of that size. In fact, what you see from the outside, from the front, it's the back of one of the driver, which is inside. We are using two subwoofer, two drivers inside.
Two drivers?
Yes,
wow.
Exactly. And the two drivers are connected together facing each other, but in what we call it, the concept is Isobaric.
Yes.
And in fact, the two drivers are moving together like that. So the volume between the two drivers is constant and the pressure is constant. Two advantages. One advantage is that we lower the distortions dramatically. And second advantage is we can reduce the volume of the enclosure,
wow,
which is a good benefit. So with that side, which is quite modest, you can have a really deep, really heavy and really well-controlled bass section.
How many watts of inside
Yes.
the power amper? And which type of the amplifier applied?
In fact, we have a 1200 watts amplifiers. It's a Class D, but with the highest grade, so of quality. The latest generation of one of the best Class D amplifiers modules, adapted to the volume and to the construction and to the needs that we have with this enclosure.
Okay.
So it's fully sealed in a closed parts separately from the main enclosure of the drivers.
Okay. When I check the back side of the enclosure, there's no switch or no adjustable points. How can I access to this subwoofer setting adjustment?
Yes, in fact, we have the connection to an external tablet, so we can use a tablet, a phone, an external device with an app, and then you can adjust everything from that app. So this app is still not finished, the design, so we cannot show you. But this is what we can adjust is first the setting that was prepared for each model of the Alumine line. Each speaker has his own setting that we calculate precisely to have the best match between the sub and the speakers. That's the first thing, and then we will have a kind of advanced or expert mode to bring some other adjustment. First, potentially to adjust the sub to the room, because we know that on the lowest frequency we need to have a kind of adjustment possibility for according to the room. And yes, we could use it also for with some other speakers potentially.
Which type of connection is applied to when using tablet or phone?
Yes.
Yeah. Which type connection?
But we will have a Wi-Fi connection.
Wi-Fi?
Yes, because you have a tablet. Yeah, we need to be connected to the network somewhere to get the connection to the tablet. That's correct. But the signal goes through a cable. That's the point. We might have a possibility to have a wireless connection for the future application, but it's not yet decided. Because for the audiophile market, we recommend to use a cable anyway.
Is there any proper position or suggestion position for the subwoofer? Because the mixture of main speaker with subwoofer is very important.
Yes, absolutely. Position is critical because yes, you can be inside or outside a room mode. So yes, that makes the position different according to the room characteristic, acoustic. But with the speakers, we recommend usually to have a kind of alignment. So
same alignment?
Yes, same alignment. Could be a bit at the back, so it's possible, depending. But frankly, it has to be challenged with the room, and also the most important, that's the position of the main speakers. So the main speakers has to be set up in the same manner like any good system, and then of course the position of the sub according to the position of the main speakers. But we start with the main speakers and then we position the sub accordingly. No, there is the plan for this sub is really to bring an extension of possibilities to the main speakers. It's an ultra high-end components. It's nothing to do with standard subwoofer that you can find on the market. We have plenty. This is really capable of bringing the highest level of quality of bass. We are also pretty reputed for the quality of the bass, and we wanted to get and to bring this quality level to the main speakers, because it's difficult to match subwoofer with a high-end system. So we need to get a really high level of quality to match perfectly and to avoid any confusion. Because if you use a standard sub, you can easily degrade the quality of the main speakers if it's a good one. So yes, it has to be really well done and well tuned and to get a good match between a good synergy between both units.
Yeah. Thank you for your time, and
thank you.
Please say hello Korean audiophile who loves in Stenheim products.
Yes, hello everybody. So we are very proud to have a very vivid and enthusiast community of audiophile liking our product. And I say hello, and also I say yes, welcome to your next dealer to check our new product. You will be impressed.